What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Commonwealth to PayPal account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, basically you can use your travel money card for PayPal transactions. So if you don't believe me, as you can see when we go over here and type in PayPal, using a travel money card for PayPal transactions, and there are no other options. So let's see. We'll wait for it to load. So you can register your travel money card for a PayPal transaction, then use it to pay online in the currency quoted by the seller, whether it's in Australian dollars or in any other foreign currency specified by PayPal. So when submitting a payment through PayPal, you need to complete the following steps. Basically, you need to click other conversion options on the review your payment page. Choose bill me in the currency listed on the seller's invoice. Select this option to ensure that your travel money card is charged in the currency you want. So how to do it? Basically on PayPal you need to basically add payment option, and in the cards you need to enter travel money card from Combank. So that's the only way how to use Commonwealth Bank and PayPal together. Of course you can link your cards to PayPal. I've already done a video how to transfer money, so you can check that one as well if you do not know how to do money transfers on Commonwealth Bank. So basically that's it for today's video. As I said in the beginning, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. We are doing daily uploads, 20 plus tutorials every single day, so guys, make sure to check them out because maybe you can find them at least a bit helpful. Thank you for watching guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.